Let us learn one very easy automation today. I have a text value as my name is 𝗦𝗨𝗠𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗬, all in small letter. Now, I may need to change everything to uppercase. For example, looking like this. And similarly, there is something called sentence case, where only the first character of the sentence is in capital letter. Or there may be situations where you may need to use a proper case, where every first character of the word is capitalized. Let us learn how to do this using the PowerFX as well as getting it done without a PowerFX. Let us jump directly to the course. Let us create a new flow. I am calling it change case with and without PowerFX. And I am enabling PowerFX. In the same flow, we will learn how to do with PowerFX and without PowerFX. Our flow is ready. Let us initiate a new variable. I said set variable. I am creating a variable called my name and entering the value as my name is 𝗦𝗨𝗠𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗬, all in small letter. First, let us learn how we can change the case from lower to upper, proper and sentence case without using the PowerFX. I am going to the text action group, and inside the text action group there is one action called change text case. This one action is enough for doing all the operations. So the text to convert is my name, and first let us change it to uppercase. We'll call it as uppercase. And let us create another change case. We'll convert the same thing and just select title case and call it title case. And we use another action, and the text to convert is my name, and here we are doing sentence case. We have created three actions, and the first action is converting my name to uppercase. The second action is converting it into title case, and the third action is converting it into sentence case. Let us just run and see what is the result we are getting. So the uppercase has converted everything to uppercase, and similarly, if you look at the title case, it is called as title case or a proper case. What it has done is in every word, the first character is converted to an uppercase. And if you look at our sentence case, it is only the first letter of the sentence is converted to the uppercase. Now, let us do one thing. We have one more action to convert the uppercase to lowercase. So our uppercase, let us convert it back to smaller case. So I will use the change case here, and the text to convert is uppercase, and I will change it to lowercase, and let us call it as lowercase. Let us run and see what is the value of lowercase again. So the lowercase is all lower. It is very simple and we can use it. But when we need to convert this case within a function or within one activity, in that case we will be using the PowerFX to it. So let us delete all these things. Hope you remember we have created this particular flow with PowerFX, and you can notice on the top left corner it is already showing an indication that the PowerFX is enabled for this flow. So to change the case, we have a formula, the PowerFX formula, which we can use. So let us create another new variable, and here, as we remember, you have two options, Either I can go for equal to and upper, or you can go to the formula here, go to the text group, and here you can find, you can select, you can search here also. You select upper, and inside that we can select the text which we need to convert. So if we run and see, so the variable uppercase is completely upper. So let us create one new variable. Let us call it as lowercase, and what we are going to do is we are going to revert back the value which we have converted from lowercase to uppercase to lowercase again. So you can use lower, and inside the bracket you already converted this value to uppercase, and we will use that value. And if we run again, it is in lowercase. And we will see how we can convert it into a proper case. That is the title case in our action using the text action group. We call it as proper case. And what all we need to do is use proper, or you can, if you are not remembering it, you can go here and you can go to this function, and every function, if you look at that information symbol and click on it, it gives you the clue of what actually the function does. Select proper, and inside that you can select anything you like. Even the uppercase also you can select, because everything is having the same value but with a different case. So the proper case is all first character of a word is uppercase now. One thing we don't have in the PowerFX formula is a sentence case. If you want to convert only the first character of the sentence, you need to find the first character and you need to convert it to upper and then merge it. So we are not going that complex. If in case you need to convert one particular sentence or a word to a, normally a word need not be converted to a sentence case. If a sentence need to be converted with the first character as uppercase, it is always better to go for a text action and use the change case. One advantage of using the PowerFX formula is that these functions can be used inside any other action too. For example, I have a variable called my name, and I have the value as my name is 𝗦𝗨𝗠𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗬. Let me create a new variable over here and call it my city, and I simply say Bangalore, and I am going to concatenate variables and create a new sentence. I call it as my info, and I say concatenate, and the first one I am selecting as my name, comma, I give a space in between, and then I concatenate my city and closing it. If I run this, I get the my info as my name is 𝗦𝗨𝗠𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗬 space Bangalore. For all understanding, it is fine. Now I want to change this Bangalore alone to all capital. How can I do? It is so simple. I don't need to create any other new action or anything. I just use upper of, then select my city and close it and close it. So we need to ensure that how many ever number of open brackets are there, similar number of closed bracket also should be there. Now if I open my info, my name is 𝗦𝗨𝗠𝗠𝗔𝗥𝗬 is in small letter because we didn't do any change. Only my city inside this particular function has been converted to uppercase, and it has converted. So this is the advantage. So you can use the PowerFX functions inside any other functions too. I think that's it for this particular lesson. and we will learn about other text manipulation functions in the next video. Thank you. If in case you are finding it difficult to follow, or if you have any suggestions, please feel free to comment and I will personally reply back to that. Thank you.